Understanding UK Visas and Immigration, a step-by-step guide. Navigating the UK visa and immigration process can be a complex task, but we're here to simplify it for you. Whether you're considering moving to the UK for work, studies, or to join your family, this guide will walk you through the essential steps and information to help you make informed decisions. This video is tailored for potential migrants eager to understand the process clearly and efficiently. This information is aimed at individuals planning to migrate to the UK, whether for professional prospects, academic opportunities, family reunification, or humanitarian reasons. If you're seeking straightforward visa guidance, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to approach the application confidently, ensuring a smoother transition to the UK. Understanding which visa category to apply for is the first and most crucial step. Here are the primary types. Work visas. This includes the skilled worker visa, health and care worker visa, and top talent routes like the global talent visa. These pathways provide access to specific employment opportunities in the UK. Student visas. This category is ideal for those pursuing education at UK institutions, such as the Tier 4 student visa. Family visas. These are for individuals reuniting with family members living legally in the UK, such as spouses, parents, or children. Humanitarian routes. If you're seeking asylum or applying for refugee status, there are tailored options for you. Choosing the correct visa type based on your purpose of migration is critical to avoid unnecessary delays or complications. Each visa type has specific eligibility requirements. Let's break it down. General requirements: a valid passport, proof of financial stability, English language proficiency for most cases, and a clean criminal record are essential. Work visas. These may require a job offer from a UK employer licensed to sponsor migrants, along with a certificate of sponsorship, COS. Student visas. A confirmation of acceptance from a UK education provider, CAS, proof of tuition fees, and maintenance funds are key. Family visas. You'll need proof of your relationship with the UK resident, such as marriage certificates for spouses or birth certificates for children. Keep important documents well organized and double-check application forms to ensure accuracy. Visa application timelines vary based on the type applied for. Work visas, for example, are typically processed in 3-8 weeks, while student and family visas might take longer. Plan your application early to factor in these time frames. Include buffer time for potential delays caused by documentation issues or additional checks. For work visas, the UK uses a points-based immigration system. Points are awarded for factors like having a valid job offer, meeting salary thresholds, and possessing required qualifications. Skilled workers, for instance, need a minimum of 70 points to qualify. Each point-based visa type has its own scoring criteria, so ensure you meet the relevant requirements. Preparation is key to avoiding unnecessary hiccups. Start by creating a checklist tailored to your visa type. Review the official guidelines thoroughly before submitting any forms or documents. If unsure, seek advice from immigration consultants or authorized advisors. Understanding and preparing for the costs of applying is essential. Visa fees often vary by category. For instance, work visas might cost between £400, £1,200, depending on the role and duration. Student visa fees start at approximately £348 overseas. Family visa costs range around £1,523. On top of that, the Immigration Health Surcharge, IHS, provides access to NHS services and must be paid for most visa categories. Be sure to budget for these expenses. Most visa types require evidence of your English proficiency. Recognized tests like IELTS or TOEFL are common options. Check the exact level required for your visa type and prepare well ahead of time. Additionally, biometric information, fingerprints, and photographs is a mandatory step for most applicants. You'll need to book an appointment at a designated visa application center to complete this process. Once submitted, your application goes into processing, where UK Visas and Immigration assess the provided information and documents. If additional evidence is required, they will contact you. Throughout this waiting period, you can track your application online using your unique reference number. If your visa is approved, the next steps typically involve collecting your biometric residence permit, BRP, and preparing for your move. Many visa categories allow for extensions if you meet specific requirements. Familiarize yourself with these conditions to avoid overstaying, which could lead to penalties. If you're planning a long-term stay, consider pathways to settlement, such as indefinite leave to remain, ILR. ILR enables you to live, work, and study in the UK indefinitely and can eventually lead to British citizenship. Even with preparation, some applications may be rejected due to incomplete documents, missing information, or not meeting financial requirements. If this happens, don't panic. The UK has a structured appeal process in place. Identify the reasons for rejection, address them, and reapply or file an official appeal. For additional help, UK Visas and Immigration provides numerous resources, including their official website, helplines, and visa application tools. You can also seek support from community organizations or professional immigration consultants. Preparing for a cross-border move involves more than receiving your visa. Arranging housing, understanding UK culture, enrolling children in schools, and securing healthcare are all key to a smooth transition. Research these aspects early to avoid last-minute stress. It's natural to feel anxious about the visa application process, but with the right resources and organization, it becomes manageable. Trust in your ability to navigate the system and seek assistance when needed. In summary, moving to the UK is an exciting opportunity, but understanding the visa process is essential. Familiarize yourself with the visa types, gather your documents, meet financial and eligibility criteria, and follow the guidelines carefully. Now is the time to take that first step toward your new chapter in the UK. For more resources or personalized advice, be sure to check the links provided. Best of luck with your UK visa application. A successful transition to the UK requires careful planning, understanding immigration processes, and engaging with local resources to ensure a smooth, settling-in experience. Thanks for watching our video UK Visa and Immigration. Keep press bell icon to watch such videos.